In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color profile of images on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left panel, select the default image. And then on the right side, if you scroll down underneath Color Profile, you can click the drop down and you can select any one that has already been pre-installed, or you can also select a color profile that may be saved somewhere else on your drive. And then once you made that selection, just go ahead and select OK to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.